When needing to find out the measurement between 2 points or the angle between two objects, simply activate the measuring tape tool in the 2D graphics menu. Activating the angle command, we can now make an angular measurement. The first point corresponds to the vertex of the angle to be measured. The following will set the other additional 2 points which define the sides of the angle. With the second point now set, as we move, we can set the third point and see the value of the measured angle on screen. With an additional click, the measurement is now also shown in the last measurement field. This very same procedure can also be used when needing to take angular measurements in the 3D view too, once again using the intersection points. The list here shows all of the measurements taken so far, and where the letter L here on the side identifies linear measurements, whereas A and G identifies angle measurements.